What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. And if you're a Denago dealer like we are, the Denago Rover XL, which is 4-passenger facing forward. They also make a double XL, which is 6-passenger facing forward, but these are obviously the 4-pass. If you want to load 2 on an 18-foot flatbed trailer, this is how it has to be done. You have to back the first one on, then you can pull the other one straight on. There'll be just enough clearance in between the two. Strap them down. We like to strap them through the wheels. So it goes through the wheel to the other side, then locks down to the other side. Same thing back here, through the wheel over there. Works great. You can fit 2 of them on an 18-foot trailer. Otherwise, it's a very, very tight fit, or you'll have a wheel hanging off the rear. You know, a little bit dangerous, where this one's got plenty of clearance on the rear. Does great. Check out our videos on our channel. We got all kinds of golf cart related videos, motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, classic cars, working around the house, all kind of cool stuff. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen, and please send a donation. Same with any monetized YouTube channel. We appreciate it. You'll have a great day. We'll see you. Look for Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia.